Human knowledge is all about abstract definitions, and science is made up with human knowledge or these abstract definitions. So it's difficult for a search engine to find perfect images that matches what we mean when we use search engines to find us pictures that match what we mean. Here I'm not talking about just the abstract emotions or abstract thoughts, but also small organisms. Those are invisible to human eyes. These small organisms are named by humans according to their characteristics after being discovered, of course. But these small organisms, those are invisible to human eyes, are difficult to be distinguished while selecting pictures to represent exact symbol. It's difficult for algorithm. So it's neither abstract thing like feeling or emotion, no like socially built abstract thing like mother family, but it's concrete when it's observed with microscope. Or at least we may see its physical structure and the behavior of it. However, since these microorganisms are not involved in social life, they are difficult to represent exact symbol. But we human create modelers, draw modelers or animationists to visualize what we mean, to visualize our knowledge. If models are created and if those models are drawn like a picture, if they are visualized like a picture and labeled, and machine is trained in a supervised way to understand these models, then it may work in search engines. Then the search engines may find us. I mean, we may make better code to find better images that match what we typed. As we know, human knowledge is all about abstract definitions, and the science consists of these abstract definitions. Well, what happens when we search these scientific definitions or scientific terms? So, can the search engine find the pictures that matches to these abstract scientific definitions or scientific terms, scientific words? Well, my answer is yes, according to my research. For example, let's type cell. Here we go. There are a lot of options that matches with our meaning. So the cell is invisible to human eye. So if it's invisible, there are pictures. Why? Because these pictures are visualized according to scientific definitions, scientific terms, and the machine has been fed with these images. Now at this moment, today for example, I'm staying at home because of quarantine. It's corona stuff period now, and there are a lot of words and pictures in the internet related to virus. So at the beginning, a coronavirus pictures are showing up in the search engine. What about chemical substance? Here we go. Well, there are pictures that match with what we mean, what we type it. What about chemical interaction? Again, pictures, those are made according to scientific definitions. Of course, we cannot see the chemical interaction with our eyes. For example, we cannot see virus, microbe, cell, chemical interaction, and gravitation, for example. Here we go, there are pictures. But these pictures are made according to scientific definition. Let's go on challenging the search engine, chemical diffusion. And what about not exact science but social science? The terms used in social science. Well, there are some terms that seem as us not abstract, but actually they abstract. For example, knowledge. Love. Society. Family. Marriage. Divorce. These are abstract, but the search engine is capable of finding us the perfect images. Why? Because it is how we visualize them and name them. And these photos are labeled according to what we mean. And we feed the machine with the labeled pictures. I mean, these pictures are labeled by human. And then the machine is trained in supervised way. So the machine show or provide us the perfect pictures what we mean, what we type it in the search engine.